Apple shouldn't do this with iPhone 14. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Apple is going to change the design for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, but there are a couple of rumors pointing towards the bad news of a new processor coming to iPhone 14. The iPhone 14 Pro new renders are out where we see what kind of a design we are going to get in the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. There are in total 4 models that Apple is going to launch this year: iPhone 14 6.1 inches, iPhone 14 Max with 6.7 inches, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. But the new design is only coming to Pro models. Vanilla iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will going to have a notch display just like its predecessor, the iPhone 13. About a week ago, Ross Young of DSCC shared a timeline for abandoning the notch on iPhones. According to it, the vanilla iPhone 14 models will keep it this year, while the iPhone 14 Pro transition a pill plus hole design. CAD-based renders of the iPhone 14 Pro shows off just that design. The Face ID module, which needs an emitter and an IR camera, go into the wider pill, while the single selfie camera go in a circular punch hole. Above and to the side of these are active pixels, free up more room on the status row on the top. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Did you guys like the new design of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max? A few things to note on the renders. Yes, there's a lightning port on the bottom, and yes, there's a card slot on the side. Every year we get quite a few rumors saying that the next iPhone will come with the new USB Type-C or abandoning wires, or even drop the physical SIM in favor of eSIM. According to Ming Chi Kuo, only 2 Pro models will going to get the A16 Bionic chip, while the vanilla iPhone 14 and 14 Max will still use A15 Bionic chip from last year. And all 4 models will going to get 6 gigs of RAM, not 8 gigs of RAM that has rumored before. Kuo doesn't post the reason behind the Apple's choice to make the A16 chip exclusive, but the ongoing chip shortage could well be the culprit. A major upgrade that we are going to see in the iPhone 14 series are its cameras, where Pro models will going to get 48 megapixel main lens, which is a big jump compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, standing at 12 megapixel main lens. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you guys like the new design of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.